Guys, Pepe is currently going nuclear, and in this video I will show you guys exactly what is happening for Pepe right now, what we can expect more from Pepe, and why Pepe is currently ready to touch all-time high in no time. So I'll explain all that in this video for you guys. I actually wanted to show you guys this shot as well. We can clearly see we broke out of this massive pattern right here. We perfectly touched support. We previously found a lot of support at this area as well, and some resistance, and now we also found a lot of support there, which is really bullish. And this was a really obvious point to actually long Pepe. I've actually done this myself. I've been doing a lot of long positions over Pepe because I'm really bullish on Pepe using Bybit. If you sign up for Bybit using the first link in the description, you will actually get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses and 25% of fees, and you can long and short a lot of cryptocurrencies, including Pepe. So that's what I did. I longed a big amount of Pepe here over at the 10-cent mark. Of course, it's not 10 cents, but you all know what I mean. Now, why is currently Pepe going up so crazy? We can see this is just going absolutely nuclear. Basically the same thing what is happening right here. We could argue about the fact that it's going a little bit slower, but still, pumps like this are absolutely crazy. 30% from just the lows already in a matter of like what, 6 days or something. It's absolutely crazy. Well, this is happening because meme coins, we call Pepe and Shiba Inu and Dogecoin meme coins, are currently heating up again because a really big event is currently coming for one of the biggest meme coins called Shiba Inu. You probably already know about Shiba Inu, but we can see that the Shibarium mainnet launch, it's called Shibarium, which is the mainnet of Shiba Inu, is scheduled for launch on August the 13th to 17th. So we can currently see that it's currently August the 13th, which means that within the next 4 days the Shibarium mainnet will be live, and this will fuel up and get a lot of money into meme coins, and that's also why Pepe is currently pumping like crazy. Shiba Inu is also going up like crazy, but Pepe is going up even crazier because it's a pretty low market cap in comparison to Shiba Inu. Now, that is not all, because if I right now type in Pepe crypto, then I want to show you guys this, because there's another reason why we're going up this crazy, and a lot of people are currently starting to notice this. We can currently see that Pepe goes green thanks to bullish demand as Shiba Inu comparison emerges. So what I mean by this is really simply. What I want to show you guys, we can right now see that Pepe is currently the 68th cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap with a 19 million volume. That's absolutely crazy, because if we look at other coins above Pepe, we can see that they have by far not the same volume. It's crazy how much volume Pepe has right now. But I want to show you guys this, and I want to go over to Shiba Inu right here. And we can just see, if we put Shiba Inu and Pepe of the highest time frames on CoinMarketCap, we can just see how crazy the comparison is right now. If we look at Pepe and Shiba Inu, they both launch on the Ethereum mainnet. Pepe launches bear market. Shiba Inu launched last bear market. Around that, of course, in around 2022, so start of the bull market. We can currently see that Pepe saw this massive pump right here when it launched the CoinMarketCap, and this also happened here for Shiba Inu. We can see this massive pump when it started trading on CoinMarketCap. Before, it just was completely dead, no volume, as you guys can see on the screen. But we need to look at this, because this is where Shiba Inu actually started. We can see we saw this massive pump when it launched on CoinMarketCap, and that also happened for Pepe. Then we saw some consolidation. What is currently happening for Pepe also happened for Shiba Inu. Some consolidation. We can see some consolidation, and then we saw this massive run up for Pepe. And exactly the same thing happened to Shiba Inu. We can see we saw this massive run up, and this was actually when they listed on Binance. And the same thing happened for Pepe. They listed on Binance. After that, it crashed like crazy. We can see the same thing happened for Shiba Inu. It crashed absolutely crazy, all the way down to levels basically where this small pump started. And we can see that basically that happened also for Pepe. Then now we're seeing a lot of consolidation for Pepe. And what we also saw for Shiba Inu, a lot of consolidation. But then, once the real bull market finally started heating up, Bitcoin broke all-time high, then we finally saw how crazy Shiba Inu actually went up. We saw just a straight one-up candle. This took about 20 days to complete this massive pump. It easily got through all-time high and it just went absolutely nuclear. Millionaires were made, and that is currently what is also probably going to happen with Pepe. Pepe is just looking so similar to Shiba Inu. A lot of people are currently noticing this, and once the meme coin season is heating up again, we could potentially see the same exact thing happening for Pepe. Just a massive move for Pepe within a few weeks, and after that a lot more down again. But I still think, and that's why I also currently long on Pepe using Bybit for more than $10,000 in margin. That is just what I currently think is going to happen for Pepe. Such a massive move that Shiba Inu saw is probably going to happen with Pepe. A lot of people are currently speculating that that is going to happen for Pepe. Also, I think that it's going to happen for Pepe because the similarities are just too crazy. That is currently why I am starting to invest a lot of money into Pepe. Once it reaches all-time high, this shit is going to go crazy, and it will straight up do the same as Shiba Inu did. Millionaires are going to be made, and if you start buying Pepe or longing Pepe with low leverage at this level, then there's a really big chance that a lot of money is going to be made. So yeah, that's currently what I am doing. No financial advice. I'm doing this on Bybit, first link in the description. This is currently why Pepe is pumping. We can see Pepe is up more than 20% in the last 7 days alone, which is absolutely crazy. I'm really excited for the next big move for Pepe. If you're excited as well, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on post notifications so you stay up to date with any crypto videos I bring out. If it's Pepe, Shiba Inu, or Bitcoin, make sure to watch them all because I will give you guys a lot of information. That being said, I hope I will see you in my next crypto video.